Drew Barrymore recently said this.
I don't drink alcohol anymore. I'm not sober. I don't work a program. What else I do is, my own business.
And people are really confused about what the term not sober means. Does that mean she's taken something else? She's got to be under the influence because she just openly admitted that she's not sober. There's more than one definition to the term not sober. To say you're sober implies that you are actively attempting to say no to something. If you're sober from alcohol, you are in a state of sobriety. Sobriety is time. Recovery is energy. Drew Barrymore can't be sober from something she doesn't consume. Are you sober from being hit by trucks? You've never been hit by a truck, so how can you be sober from it? And even if you were being hit by trucks every single day, you're not being hit by trucks now. You don't even use the crosswalk anymore, so you're not dodging trucks. The point of sobriety is to become so sober that you're not sober anymore. That's why my website, Sober Not Sober, is one of the most powerful sobriety resources on earth. If you or someone you know is ready to become so sober that saying that you're sober is literally insulting the 76 million people that are struggling with sobriety right now, then I'm here to support you.